The 2024 Volvo XC60 distinguishes itself by combining pragmatic design with elegant styling, carving out a unique spot in the luxury SUV realm. With its refined exterior, luxurious interior, and quintessential Scandinavian approach to opulence, the XC60 offers a distinct choice for those seeking both comfort and aesthetics. Engine options encompass the 247 horsepower V5 and the robust 455 horsepower T8 plug-in hybrid. While the XC60 offers good handling, it might lack the sportiness found in competitors like the Porsche Macan. The vehicle heavily emphasizes technology, with a Google-based infotainment system, though opinions on its usability might vary. Although rivals like the BMW X3 offer more cargo space, the XC60 remains a practical choice in its class. In the 2024 model year, Volvo has discontinued the front-wheel drive variant of the B5 powertrain, focusing solely on all-wheel drive configurations. Moreover, the more powerful B6 powertrain is no longer available. The lineup's exterior color choices have been reshuffled, and the Plus and Ultimate trims now include an air purifier and laminated windows as standard features. For an elevated experience, the mid-range Plus trim equipped with the B5 powertrain is recommended. This trim offers an array of premium features such as leather upholstery, a comprehensive 360-degree camera system, and parking sensors. Under the hood, two powertrain choices are available, the B5 and the T8 plug-in hybrid. The XC60 demonstrates admirable handling on corners, although it might not exude the athleticism of rivals like the Porsche Macan. Charging options for the T8 plug-in hybrid extend to public charging stations and standard home outlets. Stepping inside the XC60, occupants are greeted by a refined interior boasting premium materials and the hallmark Scandinavian design philosophy. The cabin offers ample space and comfort, comfortably accommodating adults in both rows. While cargo space competes well within its segment, cabin storage options might be limited for some. The standard 9.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system features Volvo's latest Google-based software interface. Safety remains paramount in the XC60, with standard driver assistance features like automated emergency braking and lane keeping assist across all trims.